taco with, it comes in a combo, and by itself, of course. The combo would be, hang on a second. Oh, okay, the combo is just the 3 tacos and a large drink, and then you could get them in supreme or regular. And then other than that, I mean, it's been about a week, but we have the new beefy meal burrito, the Chipotle grilled chicken ranch burrito, a veggie burrito.
Oh, okay.
Those are all new too.
All right. I thought there was like a gordita. There wasn't like a new gordita.
The only gordita I have is the cheesy gordita crunch. That's not new.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, that's about it with that. And then the crispy chicken tacos are new.
Okay, I'll take one of those crispy chicken tacos, and then I'll take the Doritos Locos, the Flamin' Hot Cool Ranch.
Okay, so you wanted to get the tacos, the Flamin' Hot by itself, right?
Yeah, just one.
And then did you want them supreme or regular?
I'll take it regular, just the regular.
All right, and then you said, did you want on the crispy chicken? Did you want the box with that or just the burrito?
It's a burrito?
I mean the tacos.
Oh, I'll just take the taco.
And on that one, did you want the Chipotle or the avocado ranch?
I'll take the avocado ranch.
All right, so I've got the cool ranch new one, and then the crispy chicken taco ranch. What else can I get for you today?
That'll be it.
Can I get you something to drink?
Do you have the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar?
Yeah, no, I have the Baja Blast Zero Sugar.
Yeah, I'll take a large one of those.
You got it. Any hot or mild sauce for you today?
Could I get hot and mild?
Sure, you got it. Now, will that be all for you today?
Yes.
And would you like to round up today for scholarship and youth programs?
No, thank you.
Okay, it's going to be $7.94 at the window.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
So we got this. It's like a crispy chicken. Let me see. Look at this shit. Crispy chicken. Soft taco. It looks like they have fried chicken nuggets in here. I've never had this before. This is new. The lady said this was the new shit that they added. And look at that right there, bro. Looks pretty fire. Fire. I didn't think it was gonna be this good. Damn, son. This is a really good taco, bro. It's basically fried chicken nuggets and a soft taco shell. And I got that Baja Blast Zero. You already know the dealie, because we don't do sugar on this side. Fire. But this right here, son, look at that. It's basically a fried chicken and with mayonnaise, cheese, lettuce, and a soft taco shell. I don't even like their soft taco shells, bro. This is fire though. Fire. Let's try it with hot sauce. Sure. Why not? Yeah, napkin, because it's just messy on this side, bitch. So this thing, pretty fire. I'm used to just eating the crunchy tacos, but just because This is something I didn't expect. I'll give it a good 8, bro. This is really good. This is really unhealthy. Like, I'm like, fuck, Weight Watchers. They're like, man, fuck you, dog. We're supposed to be over here in Weight Watchers, over here in Taco Bell. Son, what's up with that? Oh, well. All for research intensive purposes only. So, it's an 8. But that's not all. God, it's gonna be a lot of points. I don't care. It's only 2 tacos, so it's not gonna kill the Pope. Oh shit. And right out of the wrap, look at that, son. The Flamin' Hot Cool Ranch Doritos Locos Tacos, B. This shit looks like a mountain of fuck right here. This looks like it'll make your shit blood. Blood, boom, boom, blood, boom, boom, boom. You're just a parasite, sucking blood, blood. Like I said, man, I didn't really like the chips. So going from the chips to the dip, going from the chips to the taco, I don't know, man. It's really... To be honest, I didn't really like the Cool Ranch one. I like the nacho cheese one. So if they made a nacho cheese one out of this, I feel like it'd be a lot better, but it's all right. I'll give it a 7. 6 or 7. I'm sorry. Yeah, well, whatever chicken, chocolate, fried chicken, chopped taco, that's an 8 right there. This is like a 6.5, 7. You know? That's all we have for today, bro. Taco Bell reviews. It just came out today. These items just came out today. So respect that I got this for you, the DI. It came out. Big Serbs, Herbs of Serbs, reviews, Taco Bell. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell your girlfriend for me. We out, bruh.